What's up YouTube, this is CobaltJustice bringing you another part of the Titanfall campaign. This time I'm going to be doing mission 7. Enjoy.
Attention, this is Vice Admiral Graves to all personnel. A militia attack on this base is imminent. Prepare for hostile Titanfall. There are strong indications that they intend to destroy the repulsor towers at the heart of this facility. The militia will do anything to destroy these towers. If we lose, there's nothing to protect this place from the elements. Now let's go kick some ass. Graves out.
This is a battle of attrition. Take out all militia forces.
Attention all personnel. Militia insurgents are attacking the base. Attention all personnel. Militia insurgents are attacking the base.
First blood. That's a double kill.
Target, your Titan will be ready in 2 minutes. Blisk, I have detected a small unit attempting to access the North Tower. Scanning is sporadic and unreliable due to interference and the thickness of the blast walls.
Copy that, Spyglass. I'm sending a separate team to deal with the covert element. All pilots, stay focused on the main invasion force.
Your Titan will be ready in 30 seconds. Pilot, your Titan will be ready in 15 seconds. Your Titan is ready to drop. Signal when ready.
Have your intercept team cut hard to the east tower and set up an ambush. Don't let them pursue directly. All other pilots, stay on the main invasion force in case they make an attempt on the main tower.
Titan online. Signal when ready. Titan is ready to drop. Signal when ready.
We're hammering the militia covert team in the tunnels by the east tower. One of them's running for it. Female, she's been hit in the arm and leaving a hell of a blood trail. My men are in pursuit.
Sergeant Bliss, I am detecting instability in the east tower.
Damn thing's coming down, Spyglass. There's some kind of device. Somehow it destabilizes the tower. Titan support incoming. You need to step it up down there. Spyglass, intercept team has lost sight of her. Last seen headed to airfield 24.
Understood, Sergeant Bliss. Scanning airfield 24 for hostiles. None detected.
Keep looking. All IMC units, battle projections are looking grim. There's not much time left to turn it around. Nice move. Now finish the job.
Replacement Titan online.
That should cool them off. There's a Phantom lifting off right now. She's got to be on board.
Negative. That fighter is operating on an unknown autopilot protocol.
Spyglass, decrypt and expedite. The fighters are attacking the main tower.
All units be advised. The repulsor towers have been destroyed. Wildlife intrusions have been detected across the entire base perimeter. The facility is being overrun by indigenous life. Mission terminated. All pilots head for the evac point. Vice Admiral Graves, incoming transmission from James McAllen. He is asking for you.
You read me, Graves? You know what's coming. All-out assault. Doesn't have to go down like this.
A lot's changed in the last 15 years since you wore this uniform, Mac. I won't let you walk away this time.
You really made a difference in the IMC, Marcus? Or did you just turn into another company man along the way? All I see is bloodshed. I don't see any change.
Then we'll let the endgame decide who's right And who's dead?